That's science. Pacific Beach, Washington. When should I try to fly my kite? The clouds are moving. Not so much wind on our morning walk.
I'm going to make a prediction. Later on this afternoon, we're going to have wind coming from the ocean, strong towards the lake. The reason is when the sun shines on the land and the sun shines on the ocean, it heats up the land more than the ocean. And so what does hot air do when it gets warm? It rises. So it rises up over the land, and then down here we can't just not have air, so the air has to come from somewhere. And so the air comes from out over the ocean, the cold air comes in, it goes up, and then it goes over, and then it comes back down, and you get the convection current of air with the warm air rising and the cold air coming in, and that's where the wind comes from. And so then, at night, what do you think happens? It cools down fastest on the land. Water can hold more heat, and so the water holds on to the heat. The air above the water stays warmer than the air above the land, and now you have air rising above the water, and you have the breeze coming off the land toward the water, but it's not as strong usually because there's not as big of a temperature difference because there's no sun heating it up. And so you have a land breeze when it's coming off the land, you have a sea breeze when it's coming off the water. Names, of course they have names.
So Chelsea, does this work on a lake?
Yep, a big enough lake.
Lake
Yeah.
effect.
A little lake, not so much, but a big enough lake. Any body of water. That's also why it doesn't usually get as hot by the water or as cold by the water, because the water stores the heat when it has it and then releases it during the night.
So go for a walk in the morning. Try flying your kite in the afternoon.
Someone believes they can touch the sky.
Yeah,
Is it touching the sky yet?
yeah. He can't touch the clouds.
How high do you have to be touching the sky?
I don't know.
That's a good question. Am I touching the sky right now?
It probably uses all its
Use all
thread
the
to touch
Then you're touching
that. Then you're touching the sky.
So this far.
So high. Yeah, that.
That makes
But
sense.
that many streams.
That's
That's
science.
a lot.
That's science, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's science.
That's science.
That checks out. I would know. Yeah.
Please like and subscribe if you want to see more of this stuff. Thank you